So I ordered a NordicTrack S27i studio cycle for my wife. It was a choice between the Peloton and the NordicTrack, but it wasn't a hard choice. The NordicTrack won for multiple reasons, mainly the pedals. It has the strap so you can use shoes, or you could opt to use bike shoes. The Peloton pretty much comes with bike shoes, and maybe depending on the sale that you get, you might have to buy them. The positioning of the weights also, so you can get some upper body workout at the same time as doing cardio. The 27-inch swivel screen, which gives you an immersive experience. Also, the wind feature is a big plus that was a seller for us. Although it was purchased for my wife, I tried it for a ride through Ireland, and it was a lot of fun. Passing people on the street, saying hello. The instructor really makes you feel involved in reaching the destination. It's all part of the iFit app, which is basically part of the bike. If I'm not mistaken, iFit owns NordicTrack, so the bike doesn't have much utility without the app. Customer service was really good, as to be expected during the purchase experience. The bike arrived in 5 to 6 days, which is incredible. The length of the box, 50 inches in length, 22 inches in width, and 33 inches in height. You can pay for them to assemble it, but they say you can put it together if you can put together IKEA furniture. Then you could assemble the bike. I think they give a 1-hour time frame that it takes for assembly. It took us 2 hours, and in my opinion, you 100% need 2 people. I don't want to take you through the entire assembly, but the majority of the bike came as one piece. You don't have to add the pedals or the wheel. You're mainly putting the handlebars onto the frame, then the screen onto the handlebars, then the seat, plug and play. The wires for the screen and the bike's interactive elevation are already there. You're just making the male-female connection as you assemble the parts. There are 15 steps to the assembly. They also have a QR code that they want you to download. The noticeable parts of the assembly that were a little bit difficult, there's a shipping screw that they reference. They say you give it a quarter turn, and then you can hand untighten it. That's not true. You will need a wrench. You don't need a mallet, and you also need a screwdriver. To untighten that screw, you pretty much are going to have to use the wrench the entire time, and as you can see, it's a pretty long screw. So that took a lot of work and a little bit deceiving in the assembly instructions. Once everything's together, it was super easy to get logged on by creating the iFit account. I think I get 4 additional memberships. Again, the iFit account and the app and the bike, that's the only way you're basically going to be able to do anything. 100% certain I will change the seat. Although my wife loves the bike, the seat is not comfortable. Lots of people mention online that the seat's not comfortable. I've read reviews about your body adjusting to the seat. You could buy riding pants that are padded. You could stand while riding for a better workout. We'll change the seat. I just hope we buy a seat where the screws match up. Good luck to you. Enjoy the ride. I'll give you a 6-month and a 12-month update, but I think we're going to love it. The investment's worth it if you use it, and it doesn't become an expensive closet. Like and subscribe. Thanks for staying with us.